Okay, we are welcome to Facebook Ads Made Simple with Moses Daramola. Some of you, I want to believe, very few of you will know me, and many of you will not know me. But for now, that is not essential. What we want is results, okay? So you're all welcome to this class, okay? And what really happen is I do consulting. I've been getting people have been asking questions, and I've been getting feedback. And from all my feedbacks, I discovered that people do complain about Facebook advertising. I hope you can hear me, please. Hello? Can you hear
Yes,
me,
sir.
please? Okay, fine.
Yes, I can.
Okay, wonderful, fine. So people have been complaining about Facebook advertising, and I've been discussing with people, and I felt, okay, let's put the record straight. So I decided to host this uh, foundational class, which I believe will correct so many issues that people are having with Facebook advertising. So I'm not an expert. I'm also learning. We continue to learn till we leave this part of the world. Okay. So you are welcome once again, and I cherish every one of you. And I just want to say this, that media buying is not difficult. We just have to follow the trend and what works. And I believe, we all reach our goals. Okay. So you know that Facebook advertising, the way Facebook uh, set up in system, you will discover that is highly targeted. There are so many platforms where you can run your adverts, you can buy traffic, but Facebook is superb. Okay, so we definitely come to that. So to understand how Facebook works and how to use this Facebook to skyrocket your sales. Many of us are familiar with what you are seeing on the screen. These are different uh, ads from different people, and people want ads a lot. I'm going to show you. Now, let's look at some statistics to show us that Facebook advertising still works. Okay, it works. Now, you can always find this on the internet. As at 2020, you can see in terms of Facebook usage, 178 million. Of course, it is estimated. You can find this online. These are different statistics that tells us about the effectiveness of Facebook advertising. How many people use Facebook? You can see this is as at 2021, 2.80 billion people use what? This is monthly active users. Okay, then you can see daily active users, 1.84. Okay, the king of social media, of course, we call Facebook the beast of traffic ads. Okay, now, how about aside that, we have other things that we can also learn from these statistics. Facebook users use mobile over desktop. This really helps us when we are choosing placements, that we discovered that even when you are optimizing your landing page, always optimize for mobile. Very, very important. Then average time spent on Facebook. This is what research shows us. Marketers love using Facebook, and 86% of US marketers are using Facebook. So this should tell us that Facebook still works, irrespective of the challenges that we are having now as media buyers. Facebook still works a lot. Not only that, product discovery from Facebook, you can see all these facts. These are genuine facts. Okay. Then when it comes to video works wonders. And we have discovered that square videos get about 35% more view than landscape video. I will show you some things that you need to do, and you will see it yourself. Only 16.6% of posts on Facebook are what? Video. Now, I was opportune to attend a program, as in, last year, for social media buyers. Over 4,000 participants, worldwide attended the program. And the survey that was carried out shows that video is becoming the king of social media advertising. Currently, Facebook and YouTube, then TikTok, they are really fighting seriously on content creators. If you look at Facebook today, Facebook now monetizes video. If you create content, video content, and place on Facebook, Facebook too is rewarding people on monthly basis. Okay, that's why you see people today, what do? They place videos. So as content creators, as media buyers, we need to learn how to create videos as part of your creative. Okay, because when you talk about Facebook advertising, we need to understand what happens on Facebook. Okay, and we'll come to that. Now, most popular social media platform in 2021, you can see Facebook coming up seriously. This changed some years back. So because of the algorithm, because of the technology and the research going on, and that Facebook has invested a lot of money. So a lot is really going on. So you can see the advantages that this social media platform is really making things easier for people. You can see Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram. Okay, all the variants of Facebook are among the first 5. Okay, and we can take advantage of this. Highest engagement days. Yes, so it has been discovered that when you want to do your posts, okay, as a media buyer, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, people concentrate more. On Mondays, people have a lot of meetings. Some people are doing meetings, some people are trying to strategize for the week. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, we discover that people have more time to play on social media. Then the average Facebook CPM, cost per mil, cost per click, is around this. Okay, and these KPIs are very important for media buyers. Facebook has over 9 million advertisers. So if you feel that Facebook is not working, please change your mindset. Over 9 million advertisers like you and I. Facebook Live is leading live video platform. So you can also, go into that. Facebook potential reach of advertising is about 1.9 billion people already. So you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see that Square Video is doing wonders. Okay, and mobile friendly videos generate higher engagement. Captioned video, what I mean by captioned video is this, that many people watch videos on their mobile muted. So when you put caption, you translate it, and you put caption, people appreciate it more. Okay, so we can take advantage of that. Not only that, there are 120 million fake users on Facebook, and for as many that be complaining about Facebook ban, this is one of the reasons why Facebook is banning suspicious accounts seriously. So don't feel bad that Facebook is why is Facebook behaving like this? The fact remains that Facebook wants to make money, and the big short feels that Facebook is filled with scammers. So Facebook is trying to prove to this big short in terms of investors, people that spend a lot of money, a lot of dollars in adverts. They believe that Facebook is filled with what? Fake scammers. And research shows that Facebook has about 120 million fake users. And that is why Facebook is very strict concerning the users now. The advertisers, they prefer to protect their users, because even Facebook, they've been paying a lot of damages, a lot of, they've been engaged in a lot of lawsuits. So they want to protect their business. So they prefer to lose any suspicious accounts than to lose their investments. And everybody can understand. What is your mindset about Facebook ads? Can anybody answer this question? Yes, anybody, please. Yes, anybody. Just unmute your mic and say something. What is your mindset about Facebook ads? Yes, anybody, please.
Okay. I feel Facebook is becoming stressful. Like they are stressing the advertisers. I would like, because for me personally, for some months, 2 months or 3 months, I took like I left Facebook ads. Okay,
Yeah.
but then it's just as if we can't do it without them totally. I find myself falling back to them.
Okay.
So
Okay. Any other person? Yes. Okay. But from the little we have done so far, what do you feel about Facebook now?
yeah, with the index, with the statistics that you've shown us, well, it's obvious that, well, there's still hope.
Yeah,
Okay.
there is hope. So our mindset is very important. We are going to see more of this. Failure is so important in life. We speak about success all the time, but it is the ability to resist or use failure that often leads to greater success. This is important. As media buyers, you will have some failures. Yes, I won't deny that. You have some failures. But I want to tell you that you don't need to be discouraged because failure is part of your success. Love challenges, be intrigued, by mistakes, enjoy efforts, and keep on learning. 5 things Facebook looks at. One, your user profile, and that's a basis. For you to use your Facebook, you must have Facebook accounts. Facebook looks at your profile, it looks at your fan page, that's your business page, your business manager, your ad account, okay, your landing page, that's your website. In fact, there are some legal documents, some legal pages that must be on your uh, landing page. Very, very important. You must put it there. Now, let's look at page analysis. Your profile picture, your cover picture, your username, call to action, about section. Of course, we are familiar with the breakdown of your Facebook page. Okay, we are all familiar with that. We are all familiar with this. I want to believe that we are all familiar with the home page, the page icon, Facebook watch group, and all that. Facebook wants to make money, and every available space on Facebook, Facebook is monetizing it. Okay. Now I want to say something. Your page name is very important. Many people just like you are selling, let's assume you are selling PLR products, and someone says in his page is PLR expert. Another person says in his page is Ogunyemi Dayo, just like that. And the two of you are selling PLR. Me as a person, maybe I'm an audience. When I look at it, I would prefer that I need PLR products. I would prefer the person that says PLR experts, even if it's not as in a serious factor, but I would prefer someone that says he is what PLR what expert before checking the content of that particular page. So what am I trying to say? Your page name, your brand is very, very important. Then because Facebook checks all these facts. Then, of course, you can always upload your profile picture using different online tools like Canva, cover photo. You can always upload it. Look at the dimension. You can always check online to know the latest dimension because Facebook is very dynamic. They are changing their interface here and there. So for you to create your page, of course, many of us should be able to create their pages. Okay, you can use this URL to create your page and give it the normal name you desire. Okay, then you can always optimize your page for the best results. Now, page, some people when they create their page, of course, they do like engagement and like campaign. It's fine, okay, but I always encourage them, instead of doing like campaign, just do engagement and do post engagement as what you are optimizing for. Okay, some people just go straight to page likes. Okay, me I prefer to use post engagement. Why? Post engagement will help you to have social proof, number one. Then your relevance score will be very high, and when you are running ads, your CPM will be low, and to affect the way Facebook charges you. Okay, now anatomy of Facebook ads. Okay, these are the things that we see on our day-to-day ads. Okay, I'm doing this because I just want to see how we can go through the fundamentals. Okay, your page name, your profile picture, of course, sponsored ad, the ad copy, the ad creative, your URL, the headline, the scripted copy, and the call to action. For anybody running ads, you have to, of course, you have this on your page. If you want to run ads, your ad should show all these features, okay? They are fundamentals to your ad. You can see like this particular brand name. This is a page name. You can see sponsored. Sponsored. That means this is a sponsored post. It shows that the person paid for it, okay? And the profile picture, and you can see the landing page or the website. This particular magis.com. Then the copy. You can see the ad copy. That's the text, okay? Now for me, what I do is before I even start running any ad at all, I will take a notepad and put in all the details, okay? My text, that's my ad copy, my link description, my link, everything that I need, I'll keep it somewhere so that when I get to this section, I'll just be pasting what I need to add to my my ad. So you can see different ads here, okay? The image, the call to CTA, call to action, your landing page. You can see the way they arrange it. So you can take a cue as a media buyer. These are essential facts that you should know. You should know how to identify all this. And when you are planning, you plan for all this, your copy, your text, your headline. You plan for everything you see here, okay? You can see the different types of ads that we are seeing here, okay? Now, so I will give you the this template aside the video. I'll give you the PDF of this presentation aside the video. Are people making money on Facebook? Yes, anybody? Are people making money on Facebook? Can anybody answer me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, people are making money on Facebook. So for me, I have customized. Yes, someone is saying something. Yeah. Is anybody saying anything? Okay, for me, I have customized my. Yes, I can hear you. You can go ahead.
People are making money seriously on Facebook, sir.
You said what?
People are making money seriously. It's a multi-billion-dollar platform.
Thank you. So I want to show you my own page. I see I've configured my own page to see only ads because that's my business. You can see my own page. I see only ads. You can see sponsored. So I see a lot of ads, so many ads here. So from here, you can see sponsored. Okay, this is not, don't mind Facebook. I didn't want this ad. This was the ad I ran for this program. It's a test. I just did a test, okay? And I just posted the stuff like that. You can, so on my own niche field, I see ads. So I see different ads. And why did I do that? I want to see copy. I want to see creative. I want to see what they are doing. I want to see their call to action, learn more. I want to see their, link description. I want to see their link. I want to see their landing page. You can, if I click on this guy, yes, the landing page. So okay, sorry, please. Okay, fine. So you can see what is happening now. OEB. You can see, okay, it's still loading. Now, this other fact probably is my network here. Your landing page should be able to load fast. Your audience, they don't have time to waste. So that is very, very important. Let's look at this guy. Yeah, let's look at this guy. Please, am I fast? Hello? Hello? Hello, guys.
What are you doing?
Hello, can you hear me?
You can try. This phone is
Hello,
small phone.
is anybody hearing me? Hello, hello.
We can hear
Loud
you,
and
sir.
clear.
We can hear
Okay.
you.
Am I fast?
Yeah, yeah.
Or I should go on like this?
Yes.
You're all right.
Okay, fine. Now you can look at this guy. Look at the landing page. Look at the way he designed his landing page. Okay, so we can always learn. I discovered that many people struggle with landing page. Why will you be struggling with landing page when you have examples that you can follow? You don't need to be struggling with landing pages. No. Let me check if you can see he installed a Pixel Helper. Okay, so like I visited this page now. This guy can always follow me up. You know, we can. It's not only through email marketing that we do follow up. You can use Facebook advert to do follow up, and it's very, very effective. You can use your Facebook advert to follow up. I've seen many people when I visit their ads and click on the link. The next thing I see immediately, I will see that they retargeted me. Okay, and that's why on Facebook studies, the algorithm studies every action, your activities, your interest on Facebook, and through that, Facebook is able to now look at which advert can I show to this guy based on my activity, the website I click, the links I click, the groups I join or I visit, every activity that you carry out on Facebook. Facebook is interested in it because Facebook makes money from your activities online on Facebook. And that's why Facebook, we see, is trying to keep audience, their users, more on their platform. And I don't know if there is anybody here that places link on ordinary posts. Facebook frowns at it. When you place link on your post, okay, Facebook can ban you. If you don't ban you, they will limit the reach. Like many people do a lot of posts. Now you need to understand that even if you have about 1,000, 10,000 followers, and you are posting on your page, okay, on your normal news feed, Facebook has started, in fact, for a long period of time now, has been demoting normal organic posts and encouraging people to spend money on ads. And that's what is going. For you to really enjoy Facebook as an advertiser, you need to play the game. You need to pay. Okay, you need to pay. So we need to have this understanding. Except if you are using video. If you are using video, the algorithm loves video a lot. And the algorithm can help you promote your video even without you doing much. Why? Because they place adverts on videos. They want to make more money. So when they see that you are creating videos, they promote that video. They show it to so many people because they want to make money. They want to keep people on their platform. So I want to encourage you, do more of videos and less of like text and all that, because your organic reach, Facebook is demoting organic reach in terms of text because they want to make money. They want people to advertise. Okay, I hope I'm making some level of sense. Now you can see this guy still sponsored. Okay, so what do you do to do this? You just install plugin. There are different types of plugins that you can install that will help you filter your news feeds, and you start seeing adverts, different adverts from different industry, okay, from different niches. And why is it okay? Why does it make sense? It makes sense because Facebook changes a lot of things. For you to see those adverts, you will learn from it. That means these are current ads. If those adverts fly, you look at the dates. Oh, if they fly, that means these adverts are approved by Facebook. If they approve it, you can study what they did and mimic what they have done. I didn't say you should copy everything. No, just change one or two things. And if I want to write copy, I don't waste time on copy. I don't wait, because there are different types of copy: long copy, short copy, and research has shown that very short copy makes sense a lot. People don't have time. People that use long copy, you only use long copy when you have to explain further. Maybe your product is very expensive and you want to really convince them. So you don't need to stress yourself. Short copy makes sense, except if the product is very expensive, then you can now go for a longer, copy. Okay, so you can install Ad Hunter, my Ad Finder, and all that, Ad Library Helper. You can install these plugins and they will help you. Let's quickly go to my, let me show you what I did. You can see I use Ad Hunter 3.0. We have Ad Library Helper. We have my Ad Finder. We have Power Ad Spy. You can use any one of them. If I click on this guy now, you can see I can deactivate it. Once I deactivate it and refresh my browser, you'll see that I will start seeing normal. Can you see that I will start seeing normal posts from people? Okay, and it is the algorithm that determines the type of post that Facebook will show you. It is the Facebook algorithm. It looks at your behavior, your performance, your activities online, and from there, the algorithm now shows you the type of post that the algorithm feels meets your activities on Facebook. You can see. So, of course, normally you see advert, but I can now see normal adverts and normal posts. Okay. Now, if I go back and come here and activate it and refresh my screen, you will see that it will filter out all the ads, okay, and show me my ad. And through that, I'm very confident that I can always see different ads. Okay, you can see this one, Olajide Bamidele. So from here, you can see that this is a long copy ads. Okay, how much is it? All the benefit for just $10. Okay, well, that's his own style. Okay, but me, I won't go this far. I won't do this. Just very short. Okay, but it doesn't stop sales. Are you getting my point? I'm only telling you that we can use what you see here. If Facebook can approve this, that means it is what working. Okay, that means the copy passes through Facebook review, because there are different stages of review. We come to that. If this case through the copy, the creative, either image or video, GIF, that means Facebook allows app. So YouTube can do what? Do likewise. So quickly, for people that are new in the business, what I do, of course, you can just go to Chrome extension. Just click Chrome extension. Then Chrome Web Store, click on it. Then you can come here and you can just type Facebook ads. So you can see, you can go to more extension, click on it. So you come down and see, you can see Turbo Ad Hunter. So there are so many. You can pick anyone you like. There are so many. Facebook email extractor, I don't use it. Email extractor, I don't use it. eBoost Ad Spy, okay. So you can even type the name, or if you have anyone that you know, you can type the name there, and so you can use that, install it, and you start to see different ads, and that's where you learn about your copy, you learn about your creative. Okay, you can see Turbo Ad Finder. Okay, so these are different plugins that you can install and will help you to learn what is current, what is really happening now, what is Facebook allowing now. Okay, Evis, you have a question?
Yes, sir, I have a question.
You said what?
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay, as regards the ad finder, okay, so I want to know, for me now, my own Facebook to find ads, I use mostly my desktop because my own account the ad account has been disabled, so I'm using another account on my PC. So now,
Okay.
if I should access this ad finder, okay, if I should log in my account on my desktop and then install this ad finder extension, would I also see just ads on my Facebook mobile?
Of course.
Or it's just on that PC?
No, it's a plugin. It works with any Chrome browser. It works with Chrome browser. Do you get?
So,
Hello?
I think you didn't get my question.
I didn't get your question. Can you come again, please? Yeah, I can hear you.
So I said if I should log into my on PC now, I log into my account, okay, and then I install this ad finder extension on
Yeah.
my PC,
Mm.
right? If I'm using my Facebook mobile application on mobile, would I also
Okay.
see just ads?
On mobile, right?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
On mobile, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, I've not
Yes, on
tried it,
mobile.
but you can try Play Store and see, since it's plugged in, you can try Play Store and try it, okay? I've not tried it, okay? I've not tried. You can try it. In Facebook, a lot of testing. Do you get? We do a lot of testing, so you can try it out and see what goes on. Okay, let's move on. Are you okay with that answer?
Yes, sir, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, let's
I'm
move
okay.
on.
I'll try it out.
So you can use this, customize your newsfeed, and start to learn what is working now. I can tell you that if you studied, if you bought a course maybe 2 years ago and you want to implement what you have learned, you discover that it may not really work now. If it's not 100%, maybe 40 or 50% of it may not work again, because Facebook is what I really are doing a lot of research and changing new things. Why? Facebook wants to serve us more. Users' experience is key to Facebook, and we need to understand that. We don't need to say, Facebook is no. They want their users to have the best experience, and also the advertisers too. They want to make the work easier for us. So what we need to do is just to check current trends, what is really happening, and you can use this methodology to know what is really happening and have a good creative. Now, let us look at ad library. Are they making money on Facebook? Many of us know ad library. Let's quickly go and check. Let's quickly check ad library and see if guys are really making money. And you can also learn a lot from your ad library too. This one is ads. Okay, ad library, of course, you can use this one.
Okay.
So if you see any adverts, you can always come here. Okay, you can come here and make your search. Okay, let me come down. Yeah.
Let me see first.
I hope you are seeing the screen. Now, there is ad library report. What does that mean? Total number of ads in the ad library, 12 million and 7,066 adverts. Okay. Then how much has been spent? Total amount spent. So who can pronounce this? I'm confused. Anybody, please? Who can pronounce this?
This is $2.6 billion.
$2.6 billion. And someone is saying that Facebook ad does not work. So you can see that Facebook ad is working. Over 12 million ads that you can learn from. Okay, and look at the money spent so far. Okay, so and you can always see the different niches involved. You can always track them. This is at this 20 March to 17 June. It's not like the old stuff. This is the report is just for. Are you getting my point? So you can see that Facebook is still working. Look at companies. Walmart is spending how much? A month spent $75,000. How many ads? 70. Facebook itself is also spending money. Okay. We have Amazon. Amazon has spent $31,000, 29 ads. So you can even click on it and see. Let's click on Facebook ads. Are you all with me? Are you with me? Hello? Hello? Please, am I making sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see that this is Facebook itself. Look at what we are seeing here, okay? total spent by page on ads related to social issues, election, and all that. Of course, you can filter it. You can filter the country, filter the niche here. Then let's go down. Look at different ads on IG, on Facebook, and all that. These are different ads. You can see the dates. Okay, you can see different ads, video, images, and all that. So you have wealth of database to learn from. Let's leave Facebook and try other. Okay. Let's try other accounts. Let's try let me see who knows Jonathan Melody. Let me try Jonathan Melody. Let me see if he has any money ads. Let me try Jonathan Melody.
Help to fall down. I know this is going lower. Before going to see the white.
Review something. Melody. Okay. Let me before that. Let me try another person. Okay, social media examiner. Social media examiner. So we can from here learn a lot. Social media examiner. I think I'm okay. Yeah, let's look at this. Okay, no ads. Let me try. Okay, let me do it this way. Let me choose all because I don't know the country. All ad category all, either disabled or active or inactive. Let me try it again. Okay, you can see social media examiner. You can see what we have here. Active, warning, 15th of June. Okay, now you can go down, just scroll down and see anyone that is probably still warning. Probably they started it for a long period of time. Let's look at this one. This one started in 11th of June 2018. Okay, this is inactive. Okay, let's see inactive. Okay, we are interested in active ads. We can even filter it and choose just active ads alone, because if it's active and it's there for a long period of time, that means for them to be warning it is not working. Okay, I think let me see if I can filter for active ads. Filter. Okay, there is a place where you can filter out active and inactive. Okay, I want to believe you are getting my point here, right? So you can look at this one is active from 29th of January till date. So that means we can look at this ad, study this ad, and learn from this ad. 29th of January is still active. That means it's making money. You can see the ad copy, very short. You can see that they use the creative used here was video. You can play it and learn from it. See ad details. You can click on it to get more information about the ad. Okay, you can even visit the landing page to know. You can even subscribe and see the email follow-up sequence that will be sent to you. As an advertiser, you are advised to have a special email account where you know when you see a very productive, interesting ad, you just log in and you receive email sequence for God knows number of days from experts, and you can learn a lot from such experts. Okay, so we can use this art library to do a lot of things. And apart from that, let me show you something again. If you come here, you will see why am I seeing these ads. You can learn a lot from here. Why? That means audience targeting. How did you see that ad? Why? Leads Gorilla wants to reach people who may be similar to their customers. That means this is lookalike ad. This ad is lookalike ad, similar to their customer. That means for me to see this ad, probably I had visited Leads Gorilla before. I am not a newcomer. Okay, for them to send lookalike ads to be copied to me, I had visited, I had shown interest in their products. This gorilla is trying to reach people age 18 and above. Okay, you can see the way targeting works. So you can see different types of ads here. Let me scroll down and show you another one. Look at this one, Akon and Gold. Okay, I've seen this one many times. Let's see who they are targeting. Why am I seeing these ads? Okay, Icons and Gold Boutique. So for people that are into boutique business, you can study this ad and imitate and learn from it. Wants to reach people who may be similar to their customer. Do you see? That means I've visited this, I've seen this ad before, I've visited this their site before, I've taken interest in this, but I didn't take action. They now said, oh, let us retarget this guy. And you can do the same thing because you have campaign for lookalike. And how do you do your copy? What is your creative? You can do the same thing this person is doing. Akon and Gold Boutique is trying to reach people age 30 and older. Okay, so these are different ways that we can learn what is working, what Facebook can approve. Okay, you don't need to say, what am I going to do since Facebook is banning account? No, come here, look at what is working and just copy. Don't stress yourself. In video indicated that you may have visited, can you see? That means for me to see this ad, so you can see that there is strategizing, there is classification of audience. We have cold audience, warm audience, and hot audience. You don't just show ad to anybody. No, you have to classify your audience. Who are you showing your ads to? It's very, very important. So as you look at this, you can see that they don't just show ad to anybody. So they are telling me that for me to see this ad, I had visited their website before. Do you see? And that should create curiosity in our minds that, oh, this ad was used to what? We target somebody and you study the copy. How did they pen down the very short copy? Then aside that, what did they use? What is their creative? Your creative can be image or video. Do you see? And book now. That's the call to action they used. So you can study it. Let's look at what the landing page is all about. Where are they sending their clients to? So they are sending clients to their website. And let's see, was it tracked? Of course, it was tracked. There is pixel installed. What kind of pixels do we have there? Okay, you can page view. Of course, there are two types of pixels. Of course, we come to that. You can see invite events. So you can see that page view. I'm not seeing any custom events here. Okay, so when you have your pixel properly aligned, properly installed, your Facebook pixel helper is a plugin, a phone plugin that you can also install. Okay, and you learn a lot from the ads you see on your newsfeed. Many people just go through their newsfeed without studying this. Me, I want to make money, so I'm not interested in socializing. I'm interested in studying what works, what has been working, what is still working, and from there make my money. Why am I seeing this ad? So you can go through it and learn different types of ad. Okay, private wants to reach people who may be similar to their customers and all that. So it still look alike. And you can see that this is country, limited to a particular country, the age 22 to 60 and all that. So we can learn a lot from this. Okay, question. Okay, please, let's mute our mics. Let's mute our mics, please. Let's mute our mics so guys can hear. Okay, fine. I appreciate this. Okay, fine. Okay. So you can, I don't want to, this guy you are seeing on this Facebook, this guy here, I lost $500 to this guy, Fred Lamp. I will never buy anything from Fred Lamp again. And it's all about drop shipping. That was the first $500 I lost online. He's a marketer and he talks a lot. After, talking and talking, I just brought up my ATM card and I gave him $500. And what I bought did not work. Okay, I sent mail, I did all that. It was later I discovered that he was not the owner of the product. He was just a marketer. and that was how I lost $500. My first $500 was lost to this guy. I take him as shiny objects. He promotes shiny objects. That was as far back as 2017. Okay, I learned the hard way. Okay, so you can see that we have a lot to learn on our news feed, and I believe we take advantage of that. You can see this is a very long copy. You can take your time and study it. There are ways of writing hard copy. Very simple, different formulas. Very, very simple, different formulas that you can use to write your hard copy and even create your creative. You don't need to start wasting your time, and no, there are simple ways to do that. Okay, let's move on. Now I talked about 120 million fake users on Facebook. Okay, there are two main reasons why Facebook bans accounts. One, suspicious activities. Two, policy violation. When you violate their policy, they can even deactivate your account because they want to protect their users. So as media buyers, we should be very careful of suspicious activities. Suspicious activities in the sense that you are genuine, but they discover that the way you are doing your promotion, they are suspecting your activities. There is something that is not normal, regular with what you are doing. For instance, now maybe you want to advertise for somebody, and you now log into the person's account from your Facebook account. Of course, they will restrict the account of that person you are logging onto. Me, as I do consulting, I tell my clients I don't do advert of 2,000, 5,000, 10,000. I don't do it. No, I don't even welcome such custom clients. I tell them, I do a Zoom class with them. I tell them this is the requirements. I log in, they install TeamViewer. I log into their laptop and I configure their business manager. If they don't have business manager, okay, I ask for permission. Once I have their permission, configure what I need to configure. I will run their ads right from my laptop. Okay, so because Facebook is very, very sensitive. Okay, any suspicious action, they will ban your account. Let me give you another instance. If you are a media buyer and you are in Nigeria, you now travel to maybe London and you log into your account in London, you'll be surprised that they can ban your account because of changing IP. You have changed, your IP has changed. So Facebook, because that is suspicious activity, they can ban your account because your IP has changed. So what people normally do is that if they travel a lot, they'll keep their laptop in Nigeria and they install all these remote login apps and they will on their laptop. When they get to any country, they can log in remotely. Okay, so if you violate their policy, they can ban your account. Yes, you can appeal. Okay, you can have stages of appeal. I have about like 18 scripts that I will give you for free, that if they ban your account, you can always appeal. And there are stages of the appeal. We have AI doing going through the review. Then we have human face doing the review too. Okay. Then, like, look at an example of strange abnormal activities online. Maybe you started your initial ad spend with $5, and after a while, the next day, or the next time you want to fund your account, you just put $500. My brother, they will ban that. They will restrict that account because it's not gradual. They want gradual increment. It will take some time for algorithm to learn your activities, to learn your behavior and all that. Okay, so if you just come with you started with $5, and all of a sudden within 3 or 4 days or 7 days, you now increase to $500, they will ban your accounts. Okay, if you want to increase, you increase gradually, maybe $10, $15, or you can recreate account and start with a higher denomination if you feel the account is really performing. Okay, because in advertising we do a lot of testing. Testing is very, very important in advertising. Then the ad policy compliance. Facebook can disable your business manager. your ad account, your profile. In my own view, your profile restriction is is worse. Okay, of course, if you appeal, if they listen to you and you have a genuine reason, they can, of course, probably review it and allow you to use your account. Now, reasons why you are banned, I've categorized them into two. You have intentionally violated Facebook ad policy, and you know that the algorithm can read your copy. The algorithm can read your copy, but when it comes to video, the algorithm does not understand video. So there's some things you put in your copy, maybe your ad copy, okay, that you will put in your video. Some things that are not allowed that you can put in your video and your algorithm will not detect it. Sometimes some people use their language to do adverts, okay, just to get attention, and algorithm does not understand that, okay, and you can go scot-free. But for me, I don't do it. Why would I do that when there are simpler ways of doing my copy and all that? No, so you have accidentally violated Facebook ad policy, or you trigger something in the automation, or the Facebook bots AI make mistakes. They make mistakes a lot. And that is why when you are restricted or you're banned, just try and appeal. You can appeal, and I've assisted my client to restore their banned accounts. Yes, we've done that already. We've been able to do that with some clients, okay? I'm not saying it's every time, but it works, okay? So the Facebook ad policy is all about rules and regulation that we need to keep to. And there are two things to watch out for: what they prohibit and what they place restriction on. You can go to this link to learn more about that. Now, let's look at the review process. I saw an account. The account was approved, and after approval, after a while, the account was disabled. It happens. Why? Because of the review process. Okay, when you create an ad and you hit submit, the bot scans the ads and check for the text. You know, some years ago or some months ago, there was this 20% rule that Facebook was using. After a while, they downplayed it. But I want to say this from my own experience, that if your text is if you have too much text on your ad copy, or sorry, on your image, even if you don't ban your account, it will be the algorithm will lower the number of exposure of that text. So always try and keep to, even when they have relapsed it, if you watch very well, you discover that the number of views, the number of people that will see that ad will be very, very few. So just try to make your text very, very short, not too lengthy, very, very short, okay? Then basic language. If you use derogatory language, it will affect their policy. User experience. They want to give their users the best experience, so they don't want you to use any derogatory words that will make their users to be sad or moody and commit suicide. Working link. Is your link working? I've seen many ads. I've seen some guys promoting 72 IG, and when I click on it to learn what they're doing, I discover that the link is not working. Facebook can see that this is suspicious, okay? Link matches display link. The link you have on your website, is it the same thing as what you have on your ad? Okay, then they do quick review by the bots of your site against what they know as bad boys. You know, they have database of some bad boys. Do you know that I don't use stock images anymore? All those images that you go to some sites or Google, you go to Google, let me show you. You go to Google and get some images. I don't do that anymore. Okay, when I discover that, let's say Facebook now, or let's say, let me pick a niche. Okay, how to make money. I come here. So I see different images here, okay? Even when I go to tools or settings and, you know, for user rights, commercial common licenses. Okay, let's say I pick any images here. I discovered that bad boys, all those scammers, they use so many images here, and the algorithm, once you use image, the algorithm scans your image, and if they declare that you're a scammer, they will ban your account. Anybody that uses that same image, that same person will be banned, because the algorithm will think it is that same scammer. So it is preferable that you use native images, your picture, your video. Don't PR. Will this picture be okay? You can take your normal picture. If you see the ad that I ran, I just use my normal picture for the ad. I think I used just my picture alone and just put some write-ups. That's all, and it's okay. I'll do this ad you are seeing. I just use my normal picture. Let me go to the ad level so you see. Please, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Very well, sir.
Okay, so you can see the picture I use. Just my picture. Free Zoom Facebook ad training. Join us 19 June 2021. That's all. Why? What is the essence of your creative? Your image or your video? Yes, I did a lot of tests. I think we'll come to that. Let me not jump, okay? The essence of your image or your video is to stop the scroll. That's all. It is to stop the scrolling, because people on social media, they want to be scrolling. What can you do to stop their scrolling? It is your video, your creative video or your image. Now, to sell the link click, what do you use? You use your ad copy. These are the essential functions of your ad copy and your ad image. That's all. Just look for something very simple that can stop the scrolling. I can decide to use black and white. Oh, black and white. What is this? Who is this guy? And from there, they will read and see if it appeals to them and something like that. So let's make our lives very, very simple. Don't overcomplicate issue and start looking for what is not, okay? So you can see the review process. This is the first stage. And after reviewing it, your ad is preliminarily approved. This is not public, okay? Second round of review, deep dive on your landing page. Now, they will not trigger manual review on your landing page. And I have been saying it, you need legal pages on your landing page. It's very important. That's why when they approve some adverts, after some days, you discover that same advert that they approved, they will shut it down. Our ad is active and monitored for quality score. You see, even when it is active, they will still monitor you for what? Quality score. Okay. If they discover that the quality score is very low, they may bring it down. Okay, because they want the best for their users. Elements reviewed upon publishing. So when they publish your ad, they will now take their time and look at your ad copy, your image, and your URL. They look at it. If there is no issue, then it flies. Okay. Now, how does Facebook charge you? They charge by impression. They charge by post engagement, link clicks, page likes, and 10 seconds video views. The 10 seconds video view, currently, I think they've stopped it, and we have there is a true play for video, because we optimize for all this. When you are choosing your campaign objective, we optimize for these actions here. Okay, so by default, impression is what Facebook uses to charge. Now, simplified Facebook workflow. Of course, we all know that we need a funnel, and a simplified funnel is your ad source. You are using Facebook ad, you direct it to your landing page, and from the landing page, you take it to your thank you page. Okay, what's the essence of thank you page? Of course, pixeling, to know if there is purchase or there is lead. Of course, you are expected to configure your pixel. Okay, when you configure your pixel, that will help you to track the performance of your your ads. I've seen so many ads. When I go to their landing page, I don't see any pixel, and they want conversion, they want results. Okay, I just look at. There was one I saw. I had to contact the owner of the ad. I said, "What? How are you going to make money?" Even some people, when you want ads to your WhatsApp, you can't track it. Okay, so I discourage people from doing that a lot. Okay, but if you're a starter and probably the money is not there, no problem. You can start one ads from Facebook to your WhatsApp, no problem. But you'll not be able to optimize. You'll not be able to sit down and make your calculation, your projection that okay, this month, 2 months, 3 months. If you are running ad consistently for 2-3 months, you would have gathered enough data to know if you are really making money. You would have gathered enough data to sit down and plan for the future, that if I put in 10,000, I can get 15,000, 30,000. That's the essence of running Facebook ads, that you can sit down, you draw your projection after collecting data. Okay, so this is a simplified funnel, and you can change the funnel. You can manipulate the funnel, but the basic principle still stands. You have your pixel configured on your landing page, of course. Then you get leads, and you'll be able to know when you are having lead because from your KPIs. Okay, then your thank you page. What's the essence of thank you page? Many of us, what you do with thank you page is to track conversion. Oh, okay, I've made 1 purchase. Anybody that gets your thank you page means that the person has probably bought your product or has given you their details, a lead. But apart from that, some other guys use thank you page to also make money. They use thank you page to sell their a low income products. Okay, just to recoup the cost of their advert. You can use any strategy you want, but fundamentally this is a very simple Facebook workflow. Okay, now Facebook advertising is a form of interruption advertising. What it means is that it is not intent based compared with YouTube and Google. You can all bear witness with me that when you go to Google, okay, what do you see in Google? Why do people go to Google? They go to Google because they want solution. Okay, so on YouTube and Google, the people that go there, they are intent based. They are going there for a purpose. They are not cold audience. Anybody that goes to YouTube and Google, they are going there because of probably they want a solution, they want to search. So it is intentional. But on Facebook, the users are browsing their newsfeed when your ad appears. It is not intent based. It is not intent. You want to see pictures, they want to see videos, they want to see meme, GIF, they want to see updates from friends and family, and you come around and show them pictures that will interrupt what they are scrolling and all that, and from there you start to sell to them. So for me, Facebook is all about cold audience. Many people just want adverts and they just want to sell just like that. You are running advert to cold audience. You need to look at it. Who are you running advert to? This Facebook platform, is it cold audience or warm audience or hot audience that you find on that platform? We need to know that for Facebook platform is basically cold audience, and there are copies and creatives that you can use to convert cold audience to warm audience. So we need this understanding. So we need to get their attention by interrupting them, and we can achieve this using our ad copy. Ad copy is to sell the click. That's all. Ad creative, your video, your image, your meme, your GIF is to stop the scrolling. That's all. Nothing more. If you have this understanding, the next thing is, let me look at the ad copy that can sell my link click. Okay. Let me look at the creative from all what we have done. Like we went to ad library, we went to customize our newsfeed to see adverts. Learn from what they have done. Look at the people in your industry and see. You can visit their pages. Are they running adverts? Look at it. You can go to pages and know if that page is running adverts. Let me show you what I'm trying to say for the sake of people that are new in the business. Okay, let me go to my own page. Please, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so this is my own page. affiliate marketing, the online. Okay, not this one, not this page. I want to go to. You can create as many pages as possible. Okay, this is one of my clients that I want ads for. Okay, okay, this is my own page. If I go down, you can see because I'm running ads, that's the essence of ads. When you run ads, okay, you will see that you have improvement. There is social proof to some level. You see some people will visit your page. You can see the number of people that I have reached. I just created this page about some 22 May. That's when I created the page, and you can see the number of people that I reached. I see some people that are boosting their posts. Stop boosting posts. Why? You don't have control over boosting it. You can't choose campaign. You can't manipulate it. Okay, it's default setting. I think it's either impression or engagement or so. So as an advertiser or media buyer, don't boost posts. Some people will come in. Can you help me to boost my post? 5,000, 2,000, 3,000. I will tell that. Sorry, I don't do it. I charge clients. Of course, industrial standard is $300. Okay, to charge people, to help them to run ads. Industrial for people, maybe you want to just help them between $300 to $500. Okay, so I don't do all that. What I do, I will customize it on their laptop. They will see it. They will fund their account by themselves. So me, I will charge them from helping them to run the ad, to optimize the ad, and do the email marketing follow-up. I do that. But to help them use 10 naira, 10,000, 20,000 to book, no, I don't do that. Okay. So, and you as a media buyer, you should know what you are doing and step up your game. Now, let me come down now to where I'm going to. Okay. Okay, page transparency. Some of us know this trick, okay? And you come to this page is currently running ads. Okay, let's go to the ad library. I can use this method to go to ad library and see what different people in your niche. Someone asked me before we started this program, then how can you study your competitor? It's very simple. You can go to Google, look at your competitor, put your niche there, and the maybe 10 hottest or the top 10 affiliate marketers. Look at their names, find their page on Facebook and see if they are running ads. If they are running ads, what are they doing? Look at my own ads here. You can see I have been receiving calls. Okay, I have been receiving calls. Okay, you see the same thing. Why? Because I was testing. Okay, I was testing the same copy, the same creative. When I deleted, I had to shut down some of the ads. When I tested for between 3 to 5 days, I tested. We are coming to that. Okay, after testing, and I discovered that some were not from the KPIs, some were not productive. I shut them down immediately. So wasting my money. Okay, and this is what is left. You can go there, sign up, see details and all that. So you can do the same thing for your competitors. Study what they are doing. Google it. Look at their pages. Okay, from their page, you should be able to know, if they are running ads or not. It's very simple to detect. I can go back to it. Page transparency. Once you're on that page, you can go to page transparency, see all, then the page is currently running ads. Go to the ad library, click on it, and start to look at their creative, their copy, their landing page, what they have on their landing page, and all that. So this will help you to really know how they are running, what is really current in the industry. Okay, so we can do that. They don't want to see ads. People on Facebook don't want to see ads. They want to be entertained, excited, surprised, and have fun. So that is why your copy should be entertaining. Your ads creative should be entertaining. Many of us, we just put advert, and that's it. You just look at it and just jump and pass. I jump and pass. Okay. So we learn what for Facebook. That is what is happening on Facebook. It's a different ball game on YouTube and Google. I don't know, for those that have done ads on YouTube and Google, it's more expensive. Why? Because over there you have warm audience. You have warm and hot audience. But on Facebook, you have to, you have to educate them a bit to now know people that will be interested in your product. Please, am I making sense?
Yes, sir. Already said, sir.
Okay, any question, please?
Yeah, so I want to ask one.
Yes, go ahead.
I hope I'm not taking you back. You were saying something about domain when advertising on Facebook, as in that the domains have to be verified. So for people that don't have a standard website
Yes.
and have like just e-commerce stores, like which one is, for example, now Gigi. So if you just carry that link you have on Gigi and put on Facebook, so can Facebook verify that link?
You have to have a standard website. You have e-commerce store, right? Your e-commerce store, is it on Facebook or on external link?
External.
External link. If it's on external link, you have domain now. Except if I don't get your question. If you have external, yes, I'm listening.
Yeah, like I was giving you an example now with GG.
Yes.
GG.ng.
Yes.
You already have a product there that you're trying to sell and advertise. So can you just copy the link of that particular product from GG and put it on Facebook as your landing page?
Of course, now gg.com is provided you can host you can want ads to external source. You can want ads to external source, but because of the issue with iOS 14, Apple issue, Facebook likes to promote. You want to know who owns the domain name. And for you to now verify your domain name, that means you must have a website. Okay? So, but some people find a way around it. You can use Google Sites. You can use Google Sites and build your website. Google will help you with free domain name if you are starting. Okay? Google can help you. Yes, you can go to YouTube and learn more about that. But the domain name verification has come to stay. Okay, it has come to stay, and the business manager verification, it has come to stay. Okay, any other question, please?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, madam.
Okay. Please, can you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes, just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Let me see. Okay, you can go ahead, please.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Who is talking? Hello,
okay,
hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to ask, you know that Elvis.
Can somebody?
Hello,
can we all mute our mics? Let's mute our mics. Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. My question is, like recently, I bought an account from someone. Okay, just to run ads. So I discovered that the profile has up to 3 to 4 business managers.
Okay.
Okay. So business manager. So under the business manager, you can, of course, create ad accounts on each of the business managers. So now I verified a domain on one of the business managers. Okay, so my question now is that same domain, can I also verify that same domain on other business managers, or is it one domain, one business manager? Or
if it's like that, that means you'll be creating domain anyhow. You can attach business manager to different domain. You can use verify different business managers on a domain. Do you understand? Do you get?
Yes, sir.
You can link different business managers to a domain. What I normally tell people, let's start with your Facebook page. You can create as many Facebook pages as possible. Each Facebook page should have an ad account. Your pixel is attached to your ad account. One page equals to one ad account. One ad account equals to one pixel. You can remove one pixel and use it for another ad account, but you cannot delete pixel once you have created your pixel. So these are fundamentals that we need to understand. A page is equal to one ad account. If you have 200 ad accounts, that means you have 200 pages. One page specific to one ad account and specific to one pixel. You can always remove one pixel, assign one pixel, or move one pixel to another ad account. Fine. Okay. You cannot delete pixel once it is created, but you can remove it from one ad account and use it on another ad account for easier tracking. Okay, and formally, your business manager, you can also delete your business manager too. You can delete and create another business manager. Have I answered your question, please?
Okay, yes, sir. I want one more question, sir.
Okay, please, because how many people ask questions? I mean, ask questions rather. So you can go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So one more question.
Okay, yeah.
So
okay.
now with the new iOS 14 update. Okay,
Yes,
so you
yes.
can't like I asked you earlier, you can't run conversion ad. So now, as regards, okay, in respect of let's say now,
You can run conversion
okay?
ad. You can run conversion ad. It's just that you have to use aggregation. Let me show you. You can run conversion ads. You can run your conversion ads. Okay. Many people want to ask questions. I hope we will finish this class. Oh, sorry. Okay, now what you do, you can see my pixels. You can see activities going on here, okay, on my pixel. Now, what Facebook is saying is that because of you can see aggregated event measurement, it must run conversion ads. Then Facebook now, because of the iOS issue, Facebook now introduce aggregated conversion events. You must come here after verifying your domain. You verify your domain. You will come here and configure. You have 8 events that you can configure here. 8 events. If that domain is not yours, there is nothing you can do. You have to take permission from the owner of the domain before you can edit it here. So if you want to do one conversion event, you want to do events, okay? If you want to monitor events, maybe you want to optimize for purchase, you want to do a conversion campaign, you need to verify your domain and use this aggregated event measurement, and there are 8, okay? And once you configure it, you choose it according to priority. Which one is the most priority to you? You set it as number 1, and that's how you do it. And Facebook will now follow that order. Facebook came up with this in order to address the issue of iOS 14 from Apple. Apple is like there is tug of war between Apple and Facebook. I don't know if I've answered your question.
Okay, sir.
And you can see me maybe after the class. You can also chat with me. Then let's turn off. Let's move our mic. Ajayi Oluwafemi, yes, quickly, please. Ajayi Oluwafemi, your question. Ajayi Oluwafemi. Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Please. I came late for the class. I'm very sorry.
No problem.
Please, can you help us to like compile this thing in a video? Because I must tell you, I didn't really get, because I didn't start from beginning, so I can't really get anything at all.
No, I'm recording it. You can see my screen. You see, stop recording.
Yeah, I saw the record.
That's not only
I saw the record.
I'm giving you the PDF of this manuscript of this. I have about 71 slides. I'm putting it in PDF and I will send to you. No problem.
Okay.
Actually, what we are doing is this. We are running this introductory class. Okay. We have a master class after this class. We have a master class based on the fact that we have discovered some issues with people running ads, and I said we should bring up something like this introductory class to remove some doubt and clear some doubts. After that, anybody that is interested in our master class is going to run for 10 days, can subscribe, okay, and it's highly subsidized. But let's finish the class so that we see some we still have some things to go through. Now, so what do you need? Okay, your Facebook profile account, your Facebook business page. That's very important. Your Facebook profile is for friends and family. Okay, for friends and family. Is very important. Oh, more questions. Just hold on. Let me. Okay. Your question, Madam Gregory. Your question, please. Madam Gregory Eloge, can you ask your question? Okay, maybe she's not. Madam Gregory, ask your question.
Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yeah.
Yeah, the issue is actually I started with the class. I was actually outside. I just came back into the house now. They've not been lights. If you can see me now,
I understand.
They have not been loud. Yeah. What actually I really want to know, you said it all that the PDF will be sent.
Yeah.
Sorry, where is your location?
I'm in Ibadan.
Because I would like to have. Wow.
I'm in Ibadan, but I don't do physical training. I do online.
No. Fantastic. Ibadan. I mean, as I speak to you now, I'm in Cross River. Ecom.
Okay.
Not in Calabar. I'm not in the capital. I'm in Cross River. Ecom.
Okay.
I deal with empower consumerism.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, that is the online marketing firm I am working with.
Okay.
Actually, I've been running ads.
Yeah.
A lot of challenges here and there.
Yeah.
So I really would have loved to. If he's booking a section with you, I don't mind. I'll come down on my own so that I can show you one or two challenges I've been going through, which is the way forward.
No.
Thank you very much.
You can do it online. I use Team Viewer. If you can do Zoom.
If doing it online, what do I need to do? Can I send my account as in my Facebook page? You go through it.
Yes.
Tell me where I went wrong. Is it possible?
Yes, I've been doing that for some guys on some platform. I log into their laptop using Team Viewer, and there was a guy that had problem with business manager. Okay, so but after class we can meet. Do you understand? So we can cover.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Fantastic. You're welcome.
No problem. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue with the class. Now you need your Facebook profile account, of course, friends and family. You can't use it for business, but you can also use it to make money. Facebook business page is strictly for advertising. Then your Facebook ad account, of course, is very, very important. And I've explained to you, each page, as you create a page, that page can be linked to a particular ad account. So you must note that. And when you are doing your pixeling, it is assigned to an ad account. Please, let's note this. Very, very fundamental. In my consulting, I've discovered that people don't know the difference between ad accounts, your business page, what to pixel. It is your ad account you pixel, okay, on your business manager when you want to do your pixeling, okay, and you assign. We are not doing the practical here because we have a lot to cover. That will be covered in our master class, A to Z, okay? Now, so just note it. A page needs an ad account to work. An ad account needs a pixel for proper tracking, okay? Okay, who is this? Pius Igba, your question quickly.
Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you, boss. Yeah, go on.
My question is, although I'm a stranger in no business when it comes to Facebook advertising, now I want to go into food exportation, Nigerian food exportation. So how will it help my business? As in, can I really get converter when it comes to
it's possible. You can. As a matter of fact, Facebook can allow you to advertise to about 101 countries. 101 countries, okay, for now, okay? You can advertise to 101 countries, but the country you advertise to, I say, the charges differs. If you are advertising to Nigeria, the cost is cheaper compared to when you are advertising to US. We have first 8-tier countries. I mean, they are high bias Okay, we have countries, about 8 of them like that, that when you advertise to those countries, they are high buyer. They buy things online, but they are more expensive. So we can talk after the class, and I will tell you what and what to do. But just listen to me, because you have a lot to learn. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. You are welcome. Okay, let's continue. Now, your Facebook ad manager set up all your ads. The Facebook ad manager set up all your ads. Let me show you. If I come here, you need to be familiar with this. Please, I want you to be familiar with this this tool here. Okay. You can see ad manager, business settings, event manager, account quality, audience, ad account. You can sit down and go through the sequence. What do they do? Okay, this is your ad manager. If you click on your ad manager, it manages your, that's where you start to create your ads. It is when you click on your ad manager, it brings you to this interface where you see, oh, you can now start creating your ads. And you can see Facebook ads made easy. Okay, it's a campaign, but what am I doing? It is ad account. It is my ad account. Okay, my ad account. So when you create your business manager, you can create your ad account, and that account can be linked up to your business page. It's very important. So if you see ad made, Facebook ad made easy as the name of my brand, you know, okay, you have known what I do. Okay, so that means that when you are doing your branding, the name is very, very important. So whatever app you appears here is your ad account. I can come here, maybe I'm running ad for a company. I can come here, and this is one of my clients. If I click on it now, you will see the ads that I ran, although we have posted it. Okay, you can see the ads that I ran for that client. Are you getting my point? Choosing the ad manager. So we need to understand the Facebook page, the ad account, the ad manager, okay, and the business manager. The relationship between these entities, we need to understand it, and it's not difficult. Okay, it is not difficult. Just understand how they all work. Just understand how they all work. So that's what I'm trying to explain here, that they are interrelated. Your Facebook ad manager set up all your ads. Okay, then Facebook business manager to manage multiple ad accounts, manage your pages, manage your, of course, your ad account, and assign people. From business manager, you can now assign people to manage your ad accounts, to manage your page, to manage your adverts. Okay, you all do this from your business manager. Your business manager can handle multiple ads, ad accounts, can handle multiple pages. Let me show you again. So these are the fundamentals that we need to understand when it comes to Facebook advertising. We need to understand the game plan. You can see business setting. Under your business setting, what comes here is your business manager. Okay? Under your business setting, what comes there is your business manager. For me, I just have 2 business managers. The business manager, you can see 6 business assets. Okay, I just have 2 business managers. So when you talk about business manager, where do you find it? Business settings, you see it here. Okay, then from here you can have people, partner, you can have pages, ad account. Okay, you can have your pixel too under data source. You can have your pixel. So you can use your business manager to manage all this. Okay, to manage all this. And this is what we are going to take time one by one and explain in the master class that is coming up. It's just 10 days. Okay, I will introduce that when it's time for me to do that. So you can see that your Facebook pixel is for tracking visitors, specific actions on specific pages of your website. Very, very important. If you know your fundamentals, every money spent is not a waste. I hear people say, I've been wasting money on Facebook. Well, you're not wasting money on Facebook. You are only giving Facebook money to give you data. You are collecting data with your money. And if you know what you are doing, you should be able to analyze the data. And from the data, do your analysis and come up with a plan to reach your target audience. Okay, from today, just note that any money you give Facebook, you are collecting data. You are collecting data. You need to sit down, analyze the data, know your KPIs, and based on the data, the more data you have, the more ability to get information and plan. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. If I go to this ad now, ad manager, to access my ad, I go to my ad manager. Okay. I hope you are with me. Are you still with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I have campaign. I'll come to this later. Campaign, assets, and all that. So if I come here, it's not showing anything. Why? Because I'm not on the ad account. I will go to I have to choose the ad account. If I don't choose the ad account, I will not see the ad warning. So I choose my ad account. Very, very important. Ad account. Okay. I will now come here under performance. These are the things that I need to explain one after the other. I will come here, column performance, breakdown rather. When I come to breakdown, I want to see what? I want to under by delivery, the age, this advert that I'm running now, I want to see the age classification. What age category did well? What gender did well? What business, which business location, which country, which region, okay, which media type, platform. From this one, I can use it to know, okay, next time, if I want to run ads, I will target male, because from this data I collected, probably male did better, okay, or maybe female did better. Okay, if I'm running ads and I'm seeing performance, that I'm seeing results from female, I will just concentrate on female and pump in more money and get more results instead of doing male and female. That's the essence of data. If I go to business country, which country is giving me more results? I can run another ad and focus or scale up and just focus on that country. So the more money you spend and give Facebook, the more data you have and the more chances of making more money. Okay, so you want to collect data and analyze data. Your audience size is like the body of water. Your budget is like the size of your net as a fisherman. So the more money you have, the more data Facebook will give you to make your judgment. It is what you tell Facebook that Facebook will do for you. So before you start running your ads, what do you need to do? Do your sales and marketing funnel. What is your funnel? Just like what we saw here. Draw your funnel first. Okay, I want to run ad to my WhatsApp. That's what I want to do. Draw the funnel, draw the plan, and start asking yourself, okay, I need copy, ad copy, I need ad creative, I need this, I need that. Put everything down before you start at all. Okay, so draw out your funnel. Very, very important. Know your audience. Who are you targeting? Don't just go there, I want to run adverts. No, there are so many audiences. Who are the target audience? Okay, who are you targeting? Who are the people that you want to help to solve their problem? Because what we are doing is we are helping people, we are improving people's life through our product, through our services. Configure your pixel based on the actions you want them to take. Maybe you want to collect emails, that's leads, or you want to sell products. What kind of campaign are you expecting? So you will put everything down. Create your custom audience. Write down your KPIs that will show you that actually your ad is performing well. Know your numbers. How do you know that your ad is performing well? The ad spend, the money you are spending, and the results you are getting. How do you marry them together? Then plan your budget before you start running your ad. So it is simple mathematics. But if you have not done it before, you will feel that this is too, it is work. It is not like that. I have shown you that people are making money on Facebook. Then that means this is what they are doing. And you can do the same thing. Just challenge yourself. Challenge yourself. You can do it. Once you believe you can do it, start doing it, and you swear that you will perfect everything. I have 3 categories of audience in my funnel. I have the cold audience. These are people that don't know me. They don't know me, and we all know that people buy from who they know. Okay, people buy more from who they trust. No, like and trust, KLT. Okay, so how do you make people to trust you? Like now, look at what I'm doing. I'm educating. I said it's for free. My friends, in online business, there is nothing free. In online business, there is nothing free. When I started, if you go to my Telegram platform, one lady asked one question. That is it, let not be that after this training now, you tell us that they should pay money. Oh. I saw the question. I chatted her. I explained. She kept quiet. Another one now came and said, Abi oh. And that one almost insulted me and left the group. Okay. But if you're a marketer, when you see that something is free, you came in. It's a strategy. Why? You have good audience on Facebook. Okay. And you want to make yourself known. You want to sell yourself. How do you want to sell yourself? Educate the people. You can have different strategy to do this. I expect everybody to do the same thing I'm doing today. You have different funnel, different strategy of getting people, the audience that will align with you. Now, through this program, somebody has known me today. If you are convinced at the end of this lecture that you have gained value and you feel that you want to go deeper, won't you sign a deal with me? Because you know at the end of the day, you are going to make more money. That is advertising. So how do you get in front of the required audience? You have to educate them. You have to do some sacrifice. Educate them, enlighten them so that they can know you. And once they know you, they become warm audience. Warm audience are people that have shown interest in your product. Why? Because they know you. They like your page. They put on some comments. Maybe you put some posts on your Facebook and you see some likes, some comments, some share. You can even want advert on that post. And you see people showing interest. Those people are warm audience. You can target them with a particular campaign and you make your money. So just know we have three categories of audiences. Cold audience, they don't know you. They can't buy from you because they don't know you. They will hardly buy from you because they don't know you. When they see your ad, I beg, go and sit down. But when you come in as an authority, when you meet their needs without saying pay, no, look at this person. This person is making sense. They will start to. So we have a type of advert that we send to cold audience, that we convert them to warm audience. So that is how we want our adverts. That when you want the adverts, maybe you are giving out a lead magnet. Anybody that downloads your lead magnet shows that that person needs that product. If you introduce a product to that person has tendency to buy. And we can do that on Facebook. I've shown you different types of ads. You can go there and pick copy, add copy for cold audience. You can pick creative for cold audience. You can go there and pick copy for warm audience. And we have hot audience. People, they know you already. They bought product from you and they can always come back. Anytime they see that you are campaigning, they will be there. So we can want advert to cold audience. We can want advert to warm audience. We can want advert to hot audience. Okay? Please, am I making sense, please? Hello?
Yes.
Hello, are you hearing me?
Making sense, sir. We are
Loud and clear, loud and clear.
Okay, fine. So let's look at it. This is a funnel. This is a funnel, okay? Your cold audience we call it top of the funnel, okay? They are cold, they don't know you, okay? And you want to reach out to them. What do? Okay, you educate them, you give them something for free. Maybe I can teach you how to create ebooks. Very easy. I can teach you how to create ebooks and you package it very well in 3D cover. Okay, let me even show you what I do. Okay, where can I get that? Let me see if I have that ebook. Okay, you can see this ebook here on this platform. This ebook here, I created this ebook. You can see this ebook here. This ebook, you can use that ebook and create it and give it out. This ebook you are seeing here, you can create ebook like this. There is a particular site for free. Okay, these are things and some secret that I'm going to release when you join our masterclass. Okay, this is what I use to create different ebooks. Okay, I can wake up and package 7 pages PDF file, 7 pages, 8 pages, 10 pages, and different ebooks. It's for free. Okay, it's for free. You can design something like this and give them for free. Okay, you can use Canva. You can go to your Canva and design it. I have many of them like that. You can see my different design. You can see the ads that I did. You can see the cover, the creative that I used there. So you can see this one. So you can use Canva. There are so many that you can use, so many programs online. Okay, you can use any one of them to design this, and you can see different designs. Okay, you can design, so you can design your ebook easily. Okay, using Canva. Okay, and create. Look at this ebook. I can create the 3D cover and give it for free. I will explain how it works. Okay, so the point I'm making is this: that you can give something free. You can lecture. You can go to PLL sites and get free ebooks. I have many of them that I use. Okay, I use this. So maybe you are thinking, I can't create ebook. Who says you cannot create ebook? There are strategies to it. Okay, you can see my account. Don't go and copy my account. Okay, so I can come here and say email marketing. Okay, so this can give me different email marketing ebooks. I will review it. Okay, you can see different ebooks, traffic based. I can download it. Okay, actually I am registered with them. Okay, you can have free product, free ebook and all that. You can download it, consume it, and extract ebooks, 5 pages, 7 pages, and go to that website I show you and create your ebook and give it out for anybody that downloads it is interested. Hello, can you hear me? Anybody that downloads it is interested in your product. Okay, so you can see that good audience, that's the first. Then you convert them to warm audience and the hot audience, and you can see different funnels. Okay, we're not going to this now. Now, why media buyers fail? We are going to round up very soon. Why do media buyers fail? Fear of failure, scarcity mindset, not willing to spend, which depends on size of your audience and cost of your products. If a product is like very cheap, the way you market it is different from when that product is very expensive. Choosing one campaign can affect your results. Lack of the right KPIs to measure. The core principle of advertising is be willing to spend money, be willing to test. You must learn how to test so that you know how to scale up. Okay. The expert was once what? A newbie. Now, campaign strategies. Okay. Always test. We test campaign. Okay. There are 3 campaign strategies. Please, can you mute your mic? Can you mute your mic?
Call the code for me. Why am I calling code for you?
Sorry, can you mute your mic?
Code. For what now?
Okay, let's continue, please. Okay, so we have 3 campaign strategies. That means, first of all, test. Then when you test and see, you know the audience that is really, you test your audience. You want to know people that are really interested in your products. When you test and you see a winning audience, you now scale. You want a scaling campaign, then a retargeting campaign. I'm going to explain all this in the masterclass. Okay, the Facebook campaign objective: awareness, consideration, and conversion. These are the campaigns that we run. These are the different types of campaigns that we run. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. These are you can see awareness, consideration, conversion. We have about 11 campaigns here, and if you don't know what they do, then you'll be having problem with your ads. You'll be having serious problem with your ads. So, but I've taken time to explain each campaign and when to use them in this PDF. I've taken time to explain one after the other what the campaign, what they are meant for, and when you are expected to use this campaign. Okay, there are 11 of them, and I explain them one after the other, and when you are expected to use this campaign. So I will give you this PDF file. You can go, of course, you can always go through it, and if you need further consultation, you can always chat me up. Okay, and I've told you, if your account has been banned, I have a PDF I can send to you, or I will give you a link where you can download it, okay, and have access to how you can appeal, learn how you can appeal. But if you feel that you want to go extra mile, okay, you want to learn more and master the art from A to Z, and you want to be my student for the next 2 months, because as many that will register, I will give them 2 months implement as in attention. Okay, you can always, okay, Madam Miriam, I will attend to you. You can always join my master class. Okay, so for the people that attended this class, I'm not collecting 30,000 naira from you. It's going to be 10 days of advertising implementation. I will answer your questions, and I will also log into your laptop and show you the way it works. Okay, one after the other, I will show you how it works. For the next 2 months, I will support you, and you will be in my group. Anytime you're having challenge with your campaign, this is my full work, my full job, okay, full-time job. So for the first 50 people that will register, I'm not collecting 30,000. I'm collecting just 6,000 naira for you to come in for those 10 days. Let me put you through how you can run an effective ad, okay? You know, how you can implement. You have gotten some basis, but how do you implement it? I'm dedicating 10 days. It's going to be a training for good 10 days, and after the 10 days, I'm setting out 2 good months that you can have time with me. I will now, log into your laptop. Let me see what you are doing and assist you until you can do something. And aside that, you can also join my Telegram group, where you can always have access to my attention. Okay, that's for the training. So, but this offer will expire that means this 6,000 naira will end on Monday. Okay, but if you are a fast action taker, you can start registering now, because the slot I have there is just for the people that attended this training. This 6,000 naira. After this class, anybody that wants to log in between now and this week we are entering is not going to pay 6,000. So if you are interested, you want to join the 10 days training, you can just send 6,000 naira to that account and WhatsApp me. I will give you the number. You can WhatsApp me and show me the proof of payment. I will add you to the group. We are using Zoom class for 10 good days from 27th of June to 9th of July. Okay, so if you are interested, you can just pay to that account and WhatsApp me and show me the proof of your payment. Then you have my attention for good 2 months, and I will mentor you on how to run your ads. Okay. Okay, let me answer question from this madam. Okay, madam, you can ask your question, please.
Okay, hello.
Yeah, I can hear you, madam.
You can hear me? Okay,
yeah,
thank you, Daramola, for this free training.
Yeah.
I have an e-commerce website.
Okay.
With full domain name and everything.
Okay.
And we tried opening, we actually opened a Facebook account.
Okay.
But we didn't go through all this funnel and the rest that you are saying now.
Okay.
We just did like sponsorship. And then we discovered that they were just debiting my account, and I was not gaining anything.
So you are doing it through from your page, Abi. You are doing the advert from your page.
Yes.
You don't have control over it. Don't do it again. You are wasting your money. Yeah, because why? You know why? Because you are not targeting your audience. you are supposed, you are expected to target, have the people that, yes, maybe your e-commerce product is for children alone. Okay, maybe it's for adults alone, or it's for married women. So you should be able to select your audience. You should be able to select your campaign budgets. You should be able to, like, if you want it for 1, 2, 3 months, you should have enough data. So now see that, okay, if I spend 50,000, I can make 80,000 or 100 or 150,000. So you can now start forecasting, sit down and plan. Okay, if I put in 200,000, okay, I can get 500,000 naira. Do you understand? So don't boost your post again. It's not advisable.
Okay, so we actually deactivated the sponsorship, and then they blocked the account.
Wow.
Facebook blocked the account.
Yes, suspicious activity.
Yes. So what do we do next?
So what you do after this class, maybe tomorrow is Sunday. Maybe on Monday, can you just chat me up?
Okay.
I've seen your name.
Right.
Chat me up.
Yes.
Let me see. I will log in. You have a laptop, I believe.
Yes, I have a laptop.
You install TeamViewer. I will log in remotely to your account and see what has happened. You can appeal.
Okay.
You can appeal. How many days ago?
It's long. It's about 2 months ago.
Wow. Okay, no problem. Let me just see what has happened, and from there we take it up from there. Yeah.
All
what
right.
do you? What's your product like?
You say what?
What's your product like?
Various merchandise.
Okay.
Clothing, wares, and
fine.
So
No problem.
general merchandise.
No problem. We see you on Monday then. Yeah.
Okay, it's all right, God's grace. Thank you very much.
Okay, you are welcome, madam. Any other question before we close, please? Any other question? Okay, for people that are just coming, for people that are just coming in, I will give you the video, recorded video, and the PDF of this training. So I will send the link where you can download the video and where you can access the PDF file. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for investing this time. I always believe that to make money, you invest money or time. And you people have invested your time. I really appreciate your investment. Time is precious to everybody. And that is one gift that God has given to everybody. I really appreciate the time you are invested. 2 hours is not a joke. Thank you very much. And I believe that probably we do business in the future. Okay. And whenever I have any other training, I will gladly invite you. Okay. Mr. Gaius. Okay. Your question, please. Mr. Gaius. Yes, your question. Hello, Mr. Gaius. Hello, Mr. Gowan. Mr. Gowan. Hello? Okay. Mr. Ogeshuku, can you ask a question? Mr. Ogeshuku, your question, please.
Okay. Hello, yeah, can you hear me now?
I can hear you well, yes.
Thank you very much for the training. So exhausting. I mean, it is very, very interesting, honestly. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you well. I can hear you.
Yeah, I've been trying to set up a funnel, and I got stuck up with setting up a PayPal account. I don't know whether the 6-day training will also help also that issue too.
Okay. Yeah. Do you use a laptop? Do you use a laptop?
Yes. Yeah, I use a laptop. I wanted to buy some plugins for my funnel, Tracking Architect and some of them, but because of the PayPal account I couldn't set up, I just stuck somewhere.
Don't worry, I can assist you. You can chat me up on Monday. You can chat me up on Monday. Yeah.
Okay, please.
Mr. Ogeshuku.
And then
yes. Okay, your question. Continue, please. Sorry for that.
Yeah.
Continue.
So what was the last day for payment you said?
No, if you are paying 6,000, you have till Monday to pay 6,000. Anything after Monday, I won't collect 6,000 naira again for the 10 days training. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Ogeshuku. If you have your money, you can pay this night. Yeah. I'm listening, Madam Ogeshuku.
Because you keep referring to me as Mr. So I got confused.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, yes, you said after payments, we should send you proof of payment via WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I don't think I saw your WhatsApp number on the screen.
I will. Okay, let me share my WhatsApp number. I will share my WhatsApp number now.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, I welcome, madam. Yes, any other question, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Thank you very much for the class. Honestly, I actually learned a lot. You actually think you know, but then you meet someone that actually knows more than you do. I actually appreciate. I could appreciate.
I appreciate
not you giving out much content for free. Most people are going to charge for it, honestly.
Yeah.
And then I noticed you didn't told anything. You actually let everything out and all that. So I thank you very much.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.
I want to ask a question. I don't know if it's related. Okay.
No
I don't
problem.
know if it's.
You can go ahead, please.
I have a campaign, point campaign. It's not an e-commerce store. It's actually an affiliate product on Expert here.
Okay.
Yeah. So I want which what's it called? Which campaign is better in this case? Is it okay to run a traffic ad for a not so it's not a high ticket product?
Yeah.
To just run traffic campaign?
Yes, fine. That's a strategy, and that's what we are going to teach you in the 10 days training. Okay, but let me give you an hint. Okay. Yes, is what is the implementation class? Okay, that is what we are going to show you how to implement campaign. Now, if you want people to buy your products and you are using Facebook, understand that the people on Facebook are cold audience. So you need to educate them, just as I have done. Educate them, give them some freebies. Anybody that downloads it or access it, okay, it shows that those people are what viable audience. Are you getting my point? Than for you to just show advert and display advert. Okay, I have a product. So if you want to make money, if you want to be earning 250,000 per month, click on this link. You are just deceiving yourself. Okay, and maybe you are using conversion campaign. Okay, conversion campaign is very expensive. It's the most expensive. Is the best, but the most expensive. Okay, so Facebook will taking time to look for people that can buy, and people say, hey, Mike, buy from you. Like I don't know you. Who are you? You want me to buy from you? They will not buy from you. So you have cold audience. So you have to educate them.
Do it. You can say, okay, I'm interested.
You can educate them, enlighten them. Are you getting my point? Once you enlighten them, then they will now, of course, you want campaign. You can run some campaign and do maybe engagement campaign. Engagement campaign means that they will show, they will like, they will comment, okay, they will share your posts or your ads. Once they show that interest, it means that these people are people that are like that viable audience or customers. You can now run other ads. So now we're using campaign or a conversion campaign to follow them up, and you get the sales you need to get. And even in conversion campaign, you need to have about 50 sales per week before you can use conversion campaign to and optimize for purchase. Do you understand? So there are strategies to that. Okay, that's why go through the PDF. Because of time, I couldn't explain the campaigns, the function of the 11 campaigns. Once you know their function, you should be able to now say, okay, I'm going to combine these campaigns to warn people from cold audience to warm audience, from warm audience to hot audience. And that's how you make your sales. Okay, how do you implement it? Okay, you need to apply some strategies. Yes, you have known their functions, what they work, how they work, but how do you combine it to have success, to have results? That's where implementation comes in. But I will advise you, go to the PDF and know the function of each of these campaign objectives, because the campaign objective that you choose, you are telling Facebook, please look for people based on the campaign objective that I chose. You are instructing Facebook. So Facebook will give you what you instructed Facebook to do, what you paid Facebook to do. Facebook will give you what you have instructed Facebook to do through your campaign objective. Do you understand? So conversion campaign is the best, very expensive. And if you want to track leads, you want to collect email addresses from people, conversion campaign is fine. If you want purchases, conversion campaign is fine, but it's expensive. You need to know how to implement it. Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Someone is saying that, can you run traffic to WhatsApp? Of course. From Facebook to WhatsApp, it is possible, but you need to learn how to do it. Why? Once you choose WhatsApp, Facebook will never allow you to choose your audience. You can't choose audience. Look at what I have here. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. If I click on traffic, maybe
Yes,
I want to run. Yeah, choose traffic. I want to run to WhatsApp. Okay. Let's click on continue. Okay, so we have the campaign level, the asset level. When you come down, asset level, you now come here and choose WhatsApp. You click on WhatsApp, select your page that you want to work on. You have to, of course, you have a page now. You have a page, okay? Let me select this page, okay? Now, when you choose this page, you now start, maybe you need audience. Which audience are you going to select? Facebook will never allow you to select audience. So the strategy I normally use, I would have saved the audience I want. I will use a campaign. I will choose another campaign and save the audience. Okay, once I save the audience, okay, I can now run WhatsApp, because if you use WhatsApp, Facebook will not allow you to choose any audience. So what I normally do is that I will not choose WhatsApp at the beginning. I will choose something else. I will come here. I can choose website. Okay, I need to drive traffic to my website. I will not come here. I will go to detailed targeting, because I'm wanting to code audience. I won't come to this place because this place is for warm audience. So I will come to detailed targeting. This is where I will come. I will now choose my audience. Who do I want? Okay, maybe madam that is doing e-commerce. You are selling clothing. Maybe people at I will search based on interest. What are their interests? Okay, I can come here and say, okay, people that are interested in reading about cloth, maybe reading. Let me see. Okay, I will choose interest. You can see job title. You can see employment, job, whatever. I choose interest alone. I'll go to reading. I will choose all the interests I want. After choosing them, I'll be looking at the number of people that I want. Normally, in my own audience, I choose between 500 to 2 or 3 million people. That's audience 1. I will go to another audience. I will choose based on interest. I will create another one between 500 to 3 million, audience 2. I will do that until I get about 4 or 5 audience, and I will now test it. Now, for WhatsApp, what I do is after selecting it, I will now come to where I can save my, I will come to where I can save. Okay, I will save. I will come to where I can save. I will save these audiences. I will save them. After saving them, I will now come back again. I will now change this website to WhatsApp. Okay. Once I do that, I will be able to now select the saved audience and run my campaign. By so doing, you have selected the people that you want to target. Okay, not just targeting broad audience and be spending money. No. So this is how you can run WhatsApp ads, run traffic ad to your WhatsApp. That's the strategy you can use. I'm giving you that as a bonus. But if you join our program during the implementation class, I will do a video course dedicatedly for this, that you can sit down, watch, and implement. And if you have any issue, you can always contact me and we can work together. I don't know if I've answered your question. Yeah?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah. But the only disadvantage with this is that you cannot do pixeling. You cannot, yes, you cannot forecast. You cannot follow them up. When they enter WhatsApp, You can only, although WhatsApp has a very high engagement, that's fine. But instead of doing this, you can direct them to your website. From your website, still send them to WhatsApp. Okay.
But in case if the person doesn't have a website, that's why I'm asking.
You can use Google Sites to build your website. To build your landing page, you can use Google. It's another strategy. You can use Google to build your.
But can Google let me has a opt-in form, something like that?
Yes.
That I can use to collect their details.
Yes.
I don't know how to do that.
No, it's very simple. No problem. You can, no problem. We can always discuss. We can always discuss.
Right.
Then if they even come to your WhatsApp, okay, you can get their numbers. You can even tell them they should give you their details. You can from there monitor them. But you can use Google Site to also build your landing page and collect their. You can even do Google Form and collect their details. It's possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of, but if you are using a Google Form, that means you are directing them directly to the Google Form.
No,
can Facebook allow you?
Why not? It depends on your strategy. It depends on your strategy. You can. That's why I said draw your funnel. Okay, before you start. Once you draw your funnel, you can
okay, I can use like a Google site to.
Yes, to do that. You can use Google Site, build Google Site to do that. We can discuss that later and we'll iron it out. I'll show you what to do.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate.
You're welcome. Okay, any other question before we close the class? No, I don't understand. Good evening, thanks for the class. Will there be a replay of the paid class for those interested in paying? Sorry, can you ask? I don't understand the question. Okay. You still have between now and Monday. I'm sending out the video. You can always, I will send the link to download the video, okay, and the PDF material, okay. You can WhatsApp me. You can get the link from me, okay, and then you have access to the video. Then the payment between now and Monday, you can still pay 6,000, but after Monday, you can't pay 6,000 naira again because I'm going to edit the video and it's going to turn to a paid class, okay, apart from our master class, okay. Okay, Mr. Gregory, your question, yeah. Hello, Mr. Gregory, your question. Okay. Maybe
can you hear me?
I can hear you, sir.
For now, I have an issue with my laptop.
Yeah.
So how do I go with what I told you earlier? You accessing my accounts. Okay. I'm making use of my phone for now.
Okay.
So is that going to be?
It's not easy.
It won't be possible.
No. It's very stressful. I'll try you the client and I don't do it again. It's very stressful.
What do we do about that? Maybe as soon as I get a laptop, I'll come down to Ibadan and see you one-on-one.
No, we can do Zoom class. Zoom is very effective.
It doesn't matter. Forget about that.
Okay.
It's left by me. I would have loved to come down one-on-one.
No problem. Just call me when
I need to do. I'll just do it once and for all. Okay. I'll let you know about that. Because I can't do that for now on my phone.
No problem.
No problem. That will be fine. Thank you very much.
Fine. Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for your attendance, your patience, your time. I appreciate you all, and I know you are going to succeed. Thank you. I will send the link to my. Okay, if I'm not able to send it here, then you can WhatsApp me on that number 08034313770. I will send the link there, and on the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group, I will send the link so I can have access to the PDF material and the video. Mr. Ayo, question? Hello, Mr. Ayo.
Yes.
Okay, your question, please.
Yes. Before you go, I just wanted to ask, between Facebook ads and Google ads, which one is cheaper?
Facebook is cheaper. And Facebook is like,
Facebook
yes, is cheaper. And then the retargeting ability of Facebook is superb. That means anybody that visits your site, you can always follow them up. Anybody. That's the essence of putting in your pixel. Once you put in your pixel, you can track the person. You can retarget them. Okay, you can retarget them and follow them up. Do you get? So you can start with one ad platform. You can start with one ad platform. When you master it, then you can now add other ad platform as a mix, okay, as a variant, okay, yeah.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, oh, you're welcome. Yes. Okay, another question. Who is this? Okay, Mr. Kayode, yeah, interesting, yeah. Okay. Okay, Mr. Kayode, you can have access to the video. It's like you came late. You can access the video and the PDF material. Yeah. Okay, thank you, everybody. I appreciate you all. You are great.